Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction itong post ni Kipi Chu. Sabi niya, kung confident ang minority na suportado sila ng maraming Pilipino, bakit hindi nila buksan ang comment section para masabihan sila natin kung gaano natin sila kamahal? Okay. Ito, isinare ni Kipi Chu ang post ni JB Ejercito, joint statement on the Senate Minority Walkout. Umalis pala ang minority, nag-walk out, nagprotesta ba yan? Nagpapaliwanag sila, bakit nag-walk out kahapon ba ito? Kaya lang nakakapagtaka nga, tinignan ko ang comment section, naka-off ang comments. Binasa ko ang mga dito sa comments kay Kipi Chu na post, pati si Zubiri, naka-off din daw. Oh, bakit mo i-off ang comment? Kung talagang suportado kayo ng publiko, dapat open kayo para parang something. Kahit minsan, si Lacson paminsan-minsan nag-o-off ng comment. Depende sa kanyang i-post. Basahin ko We strongly condemn. Ito kay JB Ejercito, bakit daw sila nag-walk out? We strongly condemn what appears to be an attempt to rush a major change in the Senate rules, especially when several members of the minority still wanted to speak and raise serious concerns or questions on the floor. Bakit kailangang madaliin? Bakit kailangan tigilan ang mga gustong magsalita? Bakit kailangang i-divide ang House kung marami pang senador ang nagtatanong tungkol sa proseso? Minabadali ba ang rule change na ito dahil gusto nilang makaboto si Senator Bato? At ngayong may mga ulat na may mga majority senators na maaring aristuhin? We walk out because what happened on the floor look less like orderly deliberation. The proposed rule change affects how senators may attend sessions, participate in proceedings, and exercise their mandate through remote means. And such a measure should be open to healthy public debate instead of being rushed by the tyranny of the majority. We have always welcomed healthy discussions on the floor. But this should mean allowing all members to be heard, not forcing the chamber to move at the speed prepared by the majority. At the time the motion was taken up, there was no duly constituted committee on rules, and there was not even an elected majority leader who could properly guide the rules amendment through a regular process. How could there been any action on discussions before the committee on rules when no committee on rules has been organized today? With due respect, the answer that no Senate rule has been violated does not settle the matter, because the rules cannot be treated as a matter of convenience when the very process for amending them is under serious question. The timing raises a question for the public deserves to hear debated openly. Kaya pinili naming tumayo at iwan ang majority sa plenary. Kaya kami nagdesisyon to question the quorum and call for adjournment. If the proposal is truly defensible, then let it pass through the proper route. We owe it to the people who voted for us to do our mandate. That is why we want more time to discuss this further. Ay, nako. Tingnan natin ang nag-react. 16,000 ang nag-react. 13,000 ang tumatawa. 2,400 lang ang nag-like. Meaning, around 85% tinatawanan lang ito minority. Comments. Tatak Duterte, naka-off mga comment section nila, ayaw mabas. Yan ang problema. Tinignan ko si JB Ejercito, naka-off. Joel Bahana, the good one daw pero now is scared. The scared one. Si JB Ejercito, good one daw. Ngayon, takot. Makulit maldita, naka-off pati si Zubiri. Patrick C. It's everybody versus Team BBM, Paid Media, Bulaga 11, House of Crook. Weng Mesa, the walkout gang. Boyla Ling, naka-turn off ang comment section ng the walkout gang. Nag-walkout para mag-photo op. Minority na feeling majority. Naka-off yung comment section para safe from the real outside world. Then mo, ang mga matitino at mabubuting mga senators is standing and fighting for truth, transparency and accountability for the Filipino people. To me, ang tunay na may malasakit sa taong bayan ay itong Brave 13. Sila ang pag-asa natin. Ibinalik nila ang credibility at dangal ng Senado. Yung minority ngayon na grupo ni Soto, nawalan na ako tiwala noon. Dahil yung flood control investigation, pilit nilang pinagtatakpan. Sinasabi nila, nasira na daw ang credibility ng Senado ngayon. I don't agree. Tumaas. Again, balik tayo. What's the reason na i-off mo ang iyong comment section? Kaya nga social media open, interaction. Gusto mong marinig ang feedback ng netizen. Halos lahat daw sila. Ang natignan ko lang si JB Ercito kay magko-comment sana ako. Halos lahat daw sila. Naka-off ang comment section. Ibig sabihin, kokonti ang mga supporters nila. Mas marami ang taong bayan na sumusuporta sa Brave 13 senators. Kaya mga kaibigan, kapwa ko DDS o hindi ka man DDS, basta mahal mo ang bayan, ipagdasal po natin ang ating bansa, lalo na itong Brave 13 to stand up, hold the line, walang kakalas. Dahil we are going into the right direction. Magkakaroon po tayo ng justisya doon sa ninakaw na pera natin sa kaban ng taong bayan. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel na ito.